Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. So today we're testing out NetBuddy right here near a tower to see what kind of service we get in speed. So as you can see, I've used 28.34 gigabytes so far. I do have full bars. I'm near I wouldn't say it's a tower, but it's like a repeater. Looks like it because I can't see the tower, but here at least it says that I am near it. And let me show you with open signal how close I am. So as you can see, I'm right there by the tower, so that's as close as I'm gonna get. So let's go ahead and test out test out the speed with a speed test. So this is just around town in a very congested area at that too. So as you can see, it's very congested. I just drove here, so this was a tower that was near. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, this AT&T, it is connected to the hotspot. So hotspot my dude is the name, as you can see it. So let's go ahead and test it out and see what kind of speeds we get. So wow, look at that ping, it's 39. So down looks like 20, and this is at 6:35 p.m. so everybody's getting off of work. Like I said, it's congested time, so this is congested times test. Of course, we do this at night. It is going to be faster speeds, but 20.2 down, not bad. I usually get a lot more down or up, but there we go. It's going back up, and we'll do one more test after this. So this right now is currently faster than my home's internet download speed or upload speed. So let's do one more. So as you can see, here we go, and there we go. So I'm averaging, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's passing 30, 31, 32. What? Okay, staying about 30. It's a very, very congested time right now. There's a lot of cars around here. So wow, look at there we go. There's that upload speed. You can definitely stream at these speeds, guys. Wow, that's way faster than my home's Wi-Fi. So that is pretty good, guys. So that's NetBuddy on AT&T's unlimited hotspot. So you can see I've used over the 23, which is usually you get depressurized, and right now I would be but because I'm in a congested area. But as you can see, there's no slowdowns at all. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to get your own, use my referral link and promo code to save $10. Thank you.
Hi guys, so I just wanted to let you know that yes, NetBuddy finally sponsored me, so you can use my referral link in the description below and my promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout with your 30-day service card and your device, and it will save you $10 off your first month. So use that. You must use the referral link and the promo code so you can get these savings, guys. Thank you.